Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we would be talking about the solution to the previous question related to the student as well as the class. So since we understood in yesterday previous video that one class can have many students and many students can belong to the same class. Okay, so we were to create a relationship among the two. So we would be creating a master detail relationship. So for that we need to create those two objects. So from here go to setup, and in the setup go to object manager and create a custom object. We would be creating two objects, that is for student as well as for class. So guys, we created two objects, that is one the student object and another one was your class object. So now you have to figure out that which one is on the many side object. So one class can have many students. So student object is on your many side object. So in the student object create fields and relationships, create a master detail relationship because from this we are referring to the parent. So master detail relationship. Next, and whom we are referring to is your class. So this would be populated in here. And next, field name, class, student objects would be the child relationship name. So we created uh, the master detail relationship. Okay, so guys, what if we search in here like class, so nothing is displayed. So what we are missing is we are missing the tabs. We have not created any tab for it. So go to the home, search in here tabs and create a new tab. Student object and the tab style, give any tab style as you like. I don't want to include it in any of the custom standard apps, so I'm removing it from here. Now I'm making for class. So student and class are created. The tabs. So if you are facing any difficulty in understanding about tabs, so you can check our previous playlist videos. We have explained about the app manager tabs, so how to deal with them. So see this, first I will be showing you about the class. This is your class, new class, class name, and this was auto number, so this would automatically be generated. And now I would be showing you the student object. So the data type would be text, and we the search for classes would be appeared in here. Okay, So like first we populate some classes. Save class 1 was created. So in the related student objects we can see nothing for now because we haven't created any such student, and this is the related name when we get an option that what would be the child relationship name. So this came from there. And let me create another class. So for now I am having two classes. uh, One is the class 1 and other is the class 2. See, first second, in order to create a new class we would be going new class, and class 3 is also created. So this is the parent class. Now this class can have multiple students. Okay, so now moving over to your student object, new student object name, student 1, search for class. See, three classes populates class 1, save. It has no related, it is child, so it is only related to parent. Student 1 is created. uh, Now I would be creating another student. Save. Okay, now two students are created and we can refer their class as well. So if you see in here the related object, it is having student 1. See, on this, from here we came back to student, and from here we came back to the class. Okay, so this is your parent child relationship. Now one more important thing that I want you to see in here is like uh, see, created by, last modified by, owner. Okay, uh, we have these three fields in this class object, and when we see the student object, see, created by, last modified by, it is not having the name of the owner. Why it is not having? See, in our class object, let me show you. uh, in your class object, what was there was, there was a field called owner. See, there was the field of owner, but why it was not shown in your students was because now this student is referring to this class. So this class, the owner of this class would be the owner of your student. Okay, so everything, the sharing and security setting, everything that this class would have, same would be with the student. So this is a use case of master detail relationship. See, if we see na some see, if you got confused, let me create some test object for you, then you would understand. See, created by, last modified by, and owner. So owner field is always there when we create an object, but yes, when you are relating with your master detail relationship, so the child relationship would be would not have this owner name because it is referred to its parent. So the owner of the parent is the owner of that child class. So that was your practice question or the solution to the previous question, guys. In the next video, we would be working more on such types, as well as we would be further understanding about various relationships. For then, you could revise what we have done till now, as well as if you haven't accessed the playlist, I recommend you all to view once. And if you have any doubts anywhere, you can comment down below. So thanks for watching.